Next topic is input function. Input function helps to provide or add user interaction whenever it's required in our code. The syntax of input function is input, then the bracket, then we can use double quotes, and inside that we need to type the text to be displayed, and we need to close the double quotes and the bracket. We will see how to execute this in PyCharm. We will clear the screen and we'll type input, then the bracket. Inside double quotes I'm typing the text which need to be displayed for the user. So what's your name? And if I execute this, here it's asking for a name. I'm typing my name and I execute it. Okay, this is the how input function works. If you remember, this input function syntax and the print function syntax are almost similar. If I want to do print function, your name, I will cut this input and I will execute now. If we have noticed, our code got exited after displaying the text. But if we are doing input function, it's the our code is in post state and it's waiting to get a user input. When user type a name in backend, what will happen is that this input will replace with the name the user is providing. Okay, now we will combine both print function and input function. Print, I will type hello and input. What's your name? In last video we learned that we need to concatenate if we need to add two strings. Okay, and if I need a space between hello and the name, I need to put a space over here. And if I execute now, what will happen is that first it will execute my input function, so it's waiting for the input. Will type my name is Kiran. So now once I typed the name, this input is replaced with Kiran, and then the print function executed and we got the output. We can see the step by step executed, how it will execute in Python using Tony. So if you don't have Tony, you can download Tony from this website, tony.org. Okay, various types of installers are available: Windows, Mac, and Linux. I have already installed Tony in my laptop, so we will see how the same thing will work. I will copy this code and I will paste it over here, and we can debug. So if I debug, so this is the code going to execute. Step. So first it's checking the print function. So hello it checked, then it went to the input function and it's checking what's the text to be displayed. inside input function. Now it will execute the input function. So input function got executed and I typed my name. So now the input function is replaced with the name. Okay, now if I click next again, so it got now we got the text. Next print function will execute and it will print the text. So here we got the output as we expected. This is how input function and the print function will work. Thank you.